Hi there, today I will be guiding you through how to change Meta AI chatbot setting. Before going any further, let me tell you one thing. You cannot completely disable the Meta AI on Facebook, Instagram, or on WhatsApp. But you can do some changes. Open that chatbot in which you want to change some settings, just like I will do in my Messenger. So let me get access of it. And here you can see my Meta AI. Now what kind of changes I can do here? If you take a look on the right top, you will see an icon, click on it, and here you will see the icon off mute. If I click on this option, here I can mute it for 15 minutes or until I change it. If I click on OK, then it will be muted and it will not show anything until I will turn it on. Another thing that you can do is if you take a look on the right top, you will see 3 dots. Click on these dots and here you can delete your conversation or you can even report that technical problem. Now, if you want to check the history, then click on this icon. And here, you will see all the generated images in Meta which you generated. And on the second last number, you can see notification and sound. If I click on it, here I can customize the notification by clicking on it. And here you can see if I disable all the notification, then I will not see any notification provided by the Meta. So these are some changes which we can do in the Meta AI.